So there is one Scrum meeting that happens every single day. And it is the one most teams mess up first. It's called the Daily Scrum meeting or Daily Standup. And when it works, it replaces every status email, every just check-in message, and every 30-minute meeting that should have been a Slack thread. Okay? If you have 7 people on your team and each one saves 10 minutes a day of email clarification, that is almost 6 hours of reclaimed time every week from one 15-minute meeting. It's amazing how it works. Now let me show you how it works. Each person answers 3 simple questions. I want you to write it down. What did I complete yesterday? What will I work on today? Is anything blocking me? That is the entire meeting. 3 questions, no presentations, no deep dives, no solving problems in the room. If something needs a longer conversation, you take it offline. So the first question makes progress visible. The second one catches overlaps and dependencies before they cost you 3 days of rework. The third one surfaces problems while they are still small enough to fix. Now, before I show you what a good daily Scrum meeting sounds like, let me show you what a bad one sounds like first. Because you have probably heard this version, okay? So yesterday, I worked on campaign stuff. Today, I will keep working on it. No blockers. That tells the team nothing. Nobody knows what was finished, nobody knows what is next, and no blockers might mean everything is fine, or it might mean you are stuck and too uncomfortable to say it. Now, here's the same person, same day, good daily Scrum presentation. Yesterday, I finalized the Q2 campaign brief and sent it to Sarah for review. Today, I'm starting the audience research for the paid ads. One thing I need, I'm waiting on the updated brand guidelines from design. Can someone check it if those are already ready? That took about 20 seconds. That is all a stand-up requires. The team now knows what moved forward, what is happening next, and where the risk is. Here's the HR. Yesterday, I screened 8 candidates for the analyst role. Today, I'm scheduling second-round interviews. I need a hiring manager to confirm the panel by the end of the week, so we don't lose that week. Okay? Operations. Yesterday, I finalized the vendor onboarding checklist. Today, I'm testing it with the next 3 vendors. I have no blockers. As you can see, we have the same structure in 3 different departments, 20 seconds each. Now, here's the biggest mistake newcomers make with this meeting. They turn it into status report for the boss. So instead of syncing with the team members, they face their manager and start justifying their time. The meeting stretches from 15 minutes to 30. Within a month, the team dreads it. Here's the fix. Direct your update to the people doing the work, not the person evaluating it. Let me share another important thing. What to do when meetings goes sideways, because it will sometimes, especially at the beginning. And the newest person in the room usually sits there watching it happen with no idea what to say. So here are 3 situations you will face and the exact words to handle them. Situation number 1. Let's say someone drifts into a 3-minute monologue. Start talking and talking. So you say, that sounds important. Should we take it offline after stand-up so we stay within our 15 minutes timeline? So that is not confrontation. It looks professional, it feels professional, and most people will thank you for it. Situation number 2. The meeting turns into debate. Let's say 2 people start solving a problem in the room. So you can say, quick thought, can we park that and think on it right after? I want to make sure everyone gets their update in. You just protected the meeting without making it awkward. And situation number 3, someone questions your update. Maybe they challenge your timeline or suggest you should be further along. Okay, sometimes that happens. You say, I can walk through the details after stand-up. For now, that is where I am, and here is what I need. That keeps your update factual and moves the conversation out of the spotlight. You address it without getting defensive, and you did not let the meeting become a performance review. Those 3 scripts make you the person who knows how this meeting is supposed to work. And not only that, maybe even more importantly, that changes how the team sees you. Okay? Now, here is the moment that trips up most new team members. What you say when you feel like you have nothing to report. Maybe you spend all days in meetings, maybe you were waiting on someone else, maybe you are between tasks. So here is what to say. Yesterday, I was not able to make progress on my sprint item because I was waiting on the asset from design. Today, I'm following up and will start the draft as soon as it arrives. That dependency is my blocker. It looks honest, it's useful, and it does not make you look bad. It makes the problem visible so the team can help solve it. And here is something I want you to remember about blockers. If you are blocked and you say nothing, you are not protecting your reputation. You are protecting the problem. Because silence does not make you look competent. It slows the team and puts the sprint at risk. When you raise a blocker, you activate the Scrum Master. That's their job, to remove obstacle, get you back to delivering. And one more thing. The Daily Scrum has a 15-minute time box. If your team has 7 people and the meeting runs 45 minutes, either people are giving 3 minutes monologue or the team is solving problems during the stand-up instead of after. The rule is simple. Updates during the meeting, conversations after. Okay, remember that. Okay, so here is one simple assignment for you. Write your stand-up answer for tomorrow morning. Use the 3 questions. What did I complete yesterday? What will I work on today? Is anything blocking me? And say it out loud. Time yourself. If it takes more than 30 seconds, trim it. You are thinking, not presenting. That is your stand-up. Use it tomorrow. Okay? Now, I want you to share your response and your thoughts in the comment section or in our Facebook group. I want to see how you did it. Let me see your work. Next, we cover what happens at the end of the sprint. You have 2 meetings where you show what you actually got done and what are the relations between people. The first one is the sprint review, and I'll see you there.